Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Logically. In this video, we are going to learn about none function in Kotlin. So to learn this function, we will be solving the program to find prime numbers in an integer array. So let's get started with the program itself. In our previous videos, we have seen how to find if number is prime or not. Okay, to check those videos, go to our previous videos. We have videos on couple of different logics to solve a prime number program. In today's video, it is about finding prime numbers in an integer array. So first I'm having an integer array, say 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the four elements of our array. Now we want to decide whether each number of an array is a prime number or not. So definitely we will be needing a loop over an array. So let's write a for loop for each element in array, or let's say number in array to make it easier to read. For each number we will be checking if number is prime or not. As we will be calling this function multiple times, I will create a helper function to do so. Let's say function is prime. Let's have an argument of type integer. For now I am returning true. So let's just first test the flow of this program and then we will implement the none function. I'm calling is prime for each number in an array. Let's print the result. So it will print number 2 is prime or not. Let's say we will modify it for better view. Let's try and run the program. Okay, so we haven't specified the return type for the function, which I'm specifying. Right. So loop is running for each element in an array. Now we have to decide the function or the logic to find a prime number in this method or a helper function. Here we will be using the function none. So what is a none function? None is a Kotlin specific function, and this function or method, it returns true only if none of the elements in the collection satisfy the given predicate. In other words, we can say none checks for the absence of the condition. So we can check for each element in an array that neither of the collection is prime number or not. So let's try and implement that. We will be making change in the function itself. I'm having condition if specifying range to num by 2, number by 2. If you want to know how this condition I'm using here, please check our previous videos. I have explained it in detail why or how we have reached to this condition. Okay. So on this range, I am applying a none function. So for this range, I will be checking if none of the number is dividing our number. This will be the if bracket. If this is true, then return true, else return false. So as I said, what none function does is, none function returns true only if none of the elements in the collection satisfy the given predicate. It means none of the elements in an array should satisfy our predicate. So ultimately it will give us the prime number if none of the elements are dividing our number. Let's try if it works fine. Okay. So number 2 is prime. Yes, true. 3 is prime. True. 4 is not prime because it is divisible by 2. 5 is prime. True. Let's try and change numbers of an array. Let's say I'm having 50, 37, 11, 75. 50 is prime false because 50 is divisible by 5, 10, 2. Okay. 37 is prime, yes. 11 is prime, yes. 75 is divisible by 5, right? So it is returning the correct result. So the learning point of this video is the none function. Okay. And again, a for loop. So this is the way we write a for loop for a collection. To iterate over each number in a collection, we don't have to specify indexes. We don't have to iterate with the help of indexes only. We can directly have a element with it. So this is the way we iterate an array, and this is the none function with which we can make sure that all elements in the collection are not satisfying the condition. So ultimately it will give us the result of prime number. So that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments how did you find this, and I will meet you soon in the next one. Till then, keep coding. Bye.